Today I am going to teach you the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So before we go to that, I would like to give you few concepts. All the numbers are divided into two types. In this case I am using prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers which have no factors except 1 and itself. Composite numbers which are not prime numbers. That means composite numbers are having more factors than 1 and itself. I will give you an example also. For example, 6 is equal to a composite number. The reason is 6 having the factors 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 6 is a factor. 6 has a 1, 2, 3, 4 factors. Every number is divisible. You take 7 for example. 7, only 1 is a factor. Again 7 is a factor. That means 1 and itself. Therefore here the 7 we call it as a prime and 6 we call it as a composite number. So these two based on the factors only. So now here you should understand how to make the factors, right? So factor is very simple. 1 is a factor of 7 because 7 divisible by 1, 7 divided by 1 is equal to 0. If you divide, 2 is a factor of 6, 2 is a factor of 6, that means if you divide 6 with 2, you will be getting remainder 0. So if remainder is 0, then we call 2 is a factor of 6. This is what is a factor you must have learned in lower classes.